Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom. Let's dive into today's topic, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. NIO's stock has encountered notable challenges this year, with a decline of 17.4% year-to-date and a 23.7% drop over the past 12 months. Recent analysis suggests a possible bullish breakout, drawing investor interest as the company anticipates an increase in deliveries for June and the second quarter, bolstered by the rollout of new models. NIO stands as the third largest electric vehicle manufacturer in China, featuring innovative battery swapping technology, which gives it a competitive edge. Despite experiencing a 4.1% rise in vehicle deliveries and a year-over-year revenue increase of 21.5% in the first quarter of 2025, NIO reported wider-than-expected losses, largely due to elevated research and development and marketing expenses. The company aims for deliveries between 72,000 and 75,000 units in the second quarter, with the goal of reaching a break-even point and achieving double-digit gross margins by the fourth quarter of 2025. With an aggressive push into European markets and the launch of new sub-brands, NIO strives to accelerate growth despite recent setbacks. Financial institutions have started to adjust their price targets following this news, signaling potential upward momentum for the stock. In the short term, the bullish breakout reflects investor optimism, which may positively influence the stock price. Over the long term, successful delivery growth and effective cost management will be vital for maintaining investor confidence and enhancing stock value. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The NIO stock exhibits a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. As the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the long-term moving average, which is at $3.90. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $3.64. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 11.6%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating.
Analysts, the 12-month price target for NIO Inc. stock ranges from a low of $3 to a high of $8.10. The average analyst price target of $4.76 forecasts a 24.93% increase in the stock price over the next year. Moreover, the average analyst rating for NIO Inc. stock is hold. This means that analysts believe this stock is likely to perform similarly to the overall market,
leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued.